Well, it's a great privilege to be here as the representative of the President of India and to be amidst so many Indian origin people over here, forming almost 2% of the population of this country. I only wish to say that having been here now about a month plus now, my own goal that I would like to take forward is to enhance the partnership between our two countries, India and New Zealand, through greater trade, greater interaction between people, to make sure that we continue to work in a much closer fashion that we have been doing so far. And in this, it is all you people, the people of the Indian diaspora, who have much to contribute rather than just me or my staff operating out of Wellington. We can do this by encouraging the growth of trade, the flow of goods to and fro. Of course, there will be a mechanism which will come into place by the FTA, but apart from that, all of you are good businessmen, we have good sense. I'm sure you can encourage it by bringing in new products from our country, because India today is revered the world over for many things, among them technical knowledge, prowess in the field of information technology, soft power, Bollywood, those kind of issues, cultural, which has been our strength for many years, and I would expect all of you to push in that direction so that the name of this country can be heard very clearly from all corners over here. Thank you. Jai Hind.